This is my video on how to do laundry. First, you'll need a dryer and a washer. I have a top loading washer. So, you want your dirty clothes right here. You put it in two piles, darks and lights. I put the darks in the washer, and that's about a good size. It's about medium size. So this is my detergent, and then this is my softener. We fill the cup of the detergent in, and I have like a 4-in-1 detergent, so it's very useful in the cleaning a lot. That hole there, you want to unscrew it to let it drain faster. And then this right here is my softener. Right here, there's a little shelf for the softener and detergent to pour into. And this is me pouring my detergent. There's a max fill line. You do not want to overflow it because that's just not good for your washer. And then this is now the softener. There's a lot less softener. It helps your, the fabric to be softener. It doesn't, you would think it's not hard, but it helps it become more smooth. So then you just close it. I always put mine settings on normal. I put the temp on warm, and I keep the load size on large usually, because this is a pretty large load. It's not good to overfill your washer, by the way. So you hit start, and this is 3 hours later. Alright, it's finally done. This took way less time in the video, so we're going ahead and get this lint trap out. If you never clean this out, you probably should, because it will ruin your dryer if you do not clean it out. I like to shake it out, and then I also, usually it's way worse than this, but I take whatever I can off with my hand. It's a lot harder with one hand. And then I put it back in, and then I put all the wet clothes into the dryer. Sometimes people want to separate different fabrics. Like right here, I let those these pants right here, I let them air dry because some fabrics need it so they don't shrink. Those pants are tight enough as is. So, yep. I always grab one dryer sheet. So, depending on where you are, you don't have to. If you use fabric softener, you don't usually have to use a dryer sheet, but it's better safe than sorry. My dryer, on the normal dry, it doesn't always work as well, so I put it for 60 minutes, and then I put it on not high. High, I feel like sometimes shrinks it worse. So it finally gets done. You want to put all your clothes on into one basket, like this, and then I use the basket to transport to wherever I need. I put it into my room, and now the final part is you want to drop it on the floor. Bam, it's magically folded. And yeah, thanks for watching.